Around mid-March, or March 13th, 2025 to be precise, you may have seen these dramatic images and video circulating on social media and television. Passengers on one side of an American Airlines Boeing 737-800 huddling on the jet's wing, while smoke billowed from the other side. The NTSB, or National Transportation Safety Board of the United States, has released its preliminary report, and here's what it found. Now, to quickly recap the wider circumstances of the incident, it was on March 13th at about 17:59 Mountain Daylight Time that American Airlines Flight 1006, operated by a Boeing 737-800, registered November 885 November, experienced engine vibrations during takeoff from Colorado Springs Airport. The flight crew continued the takeoff but then diverted to Denver International Airport. After landing, the flight crew taxied to their assigned gate and both engines were shut down. It was shortly after engine shutdown that the fire erupted. This fire took place in the area of the number 2 or right engine, and passengers and crew evacuated the airplane. Impressively, the fire was extinguished within 1 minute by gate ramp personnel prior to the arrival of the Denver Airport Aircraft Firefighting and Rescue Team. Video provided by Denver Airport Operations showed a trail of fluid leaking from under the right engine nacelle as the airplane taxied into the gate. From a passenger and crew perspective, the report notes that flight attendants heard passengers yelling "fire" and "smoke" and saw smoke start to fill the cabin. One of the flight attendants tried calling the flight crew but did not get an answer. Another flight attendant knocked on the cockpit door to alert the flight crew of the fire outside the airplane and smoke in the cabin. Passengers used the L1 door, both left overwing window exits, and the R2 door for egress. The passengers who used the L1 door deplaned using the jetway bridge. Notably, after the evacuation, the L2 door, which was not used for evacuation, was observed cracked open. It was revealed that the escape slide had actually jammed in the door, preventing its operation. On examining the problem engine, it was discovered that all engine fan blades were present, but one fan blade platform was fractured. In addition, the lock wire of a fuel fitting on the variable stator vane, or VSV, was loose and installed in the incorrect direction. The VSV actuator rod end was incorrectly fastened and secured to the VSV actuator, allowing fuel to leak from the fitting. The VSV rod end muscle line was fractured in the weld, and the 6 o'clock seal drain line of the inboard thrust reverser half was blocked with sealant above the lower bifurcation fire seal and in the exit tube. So the incident has revealed 2 issues: an escape slide jamming the door, preventing its use during evacuation, and some improperly installed engine components. But thankfully, the fire had been put out quickly and enough exits were functioning to get passengers out safely. But what do you think of these preliminary findings? Let us know by leaving a comment. In addition to our daily YouTube videos, Simple Flying publishes over 150 articles every week. If you're looking for the latest aviation news and insights, visit simpleflying.com.